Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage generate file settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, let's get over to the menu. Now let's go to function settings. And now we need to click on the common. Here we need to click on generate file. And now here we have the output file image settings. We can change the gamma right here from 1.0 to 2.2. It's all up to our preference and how we like it. And here we also have the text searchable settings. We can enable or disable the smart scan right here. So let's say I disable it and then click on apply. And now this setting is configured. Now let's go over to PDF-NA settings. Basically we can format to PDF-NA. And then we can enable it and then simply click on apply right here. And now I'll show you guys the second way on how you guys can do that. So as you guys can see, I am on the website right now. What can we do here is, let me log out and show you. We need to select the system manager mode first before entering the site. And now we need to type in our remote UI access pin. Basically for me it's 1234. But it may be different to you if you changed it. If you did and you do not remember it, then you can set up a new remote UI pin in your printer. And now let's just go over to the settings and registration. And after that, go to the common settings. So here in the common settings, we will be able to change everything. So let's just click on edit. And here we have the generate file. It's almost at the bottom. Here we can change the gamma to, so 1.0, 1.4, 1.8, and 2.2. Here we can enable the smart scan that we disabled. And here we also can enable the PDF-A settings, so format PDF to PDF-A. And now if we want to save it, we need to scroll up and click on OK. And now those settings are saved. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.